Good morning, everybody. Good morning. So nice to see you all. So are you all ready with all the materials? Ha 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 ha. Komal ma'am is super ready today. Today we are going to create something and we are going to celebrate something. Ha 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 ha. Okay? Very good. Wonderful, everybody. Today, everybody is looking very scary to me. Even Komal ma'am is looking scary. Bhootnath is going to come in our class today. And na Samarth, today Bhootnath is going to come. Ha 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 ha. Wonderful, children, wonderful. So just get ready with your materials. I am just getting ready. Ha 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 ha. Super. So children, shall we begin our class? Everybody ready? Ready? Show me your thumbs up if you are ready. Ha 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 ha. Wonderful. So welcome to Blue Flamingo Kids Presents Learning Marathon, where each time on each weekend we come up with amazing workshops just for you all, right children? So today we are going to celebrate. What are we going to celebrate? Halloween party. We are going to have fun session and we are going to celebrate Halloween party. So children, every year 31st October all over the country, not only in India, but in foreign countries, that is all over the world. 31st October is celebrated as Hallows Day. Hallows Day. So it's a Halloween day. And today we are going to celebrate Halloween party along with Komal ma'am. So are you all ready, buddy? Ready? Buddy? Today we are going to make this Halloween cap along with Komal ma'am. You can just wear this cap. You can click a good photographs also. So do you want to make this cap along with ma'am? Yes. And we are going to make magical broom. See, this is a magical broom. Abracadabra. So we will make this magical broom and we will make this Halloween witch or wizard's hat. Witch होते हैं ना? Witch or wizard, they love to wear this hat. So today we will make that. Do you want to make it? Yes or no? Hansa, do you want to make it? Oh, wow, Rishika, you are also in a Halloween look. That's lovely. Please share your picture with us, okay? I would love to see them. Very good, Rishika. Ha 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 ha. Wonderful. So come on, children. I am going to shift my camera towards the workstation, okay? So let's get started. Let me shift my camera towards the workstation. Okay. So come on, children. Today we are going to make this witch or wizard hat and we are going to make this broom. So are you all ready? We can take any colorful paper, okay? First, we will make this witch or wizard hat we are going to make, okay? So come on. I am going to make red color hat, okay? You can make any color hat. You can make it orange, you can make it black, you can make it red, any color. So come on, everybody. Just get ready with your red color. Everybody, take one red color, you can take black color. It's up to you. Whatever you want to take, you can take it. Okay? Take red color, black color. Keep it in a sleeping position. Come on. Everybody keep your paper in a sleeping position. Right now, we will take one paper only. Ready, everybody? Those who have joined in late, let me tell you, we are going to make a witch hat or a wizard hat. It's okay. You can use black also. See, I have made black hat. I have already made a black hat. So that's the reason I am making red hat now. You can make orange, yellow, black, red, any color. Okay? Come on. Now, keep it in a sleeping position. And we are just going to make a big egg shape. Come on. Make a big oval shape like this with the help of a sketch pen throughout the paper. Understood? Come on, everybody. Take a sketch pen and make a big oval shape. Wonderful, everybody. Super. Let's do it. Just make a big oval shape. Very good. Are you all doing it along with man? Hansa, don't fight with your brother, beta. Be very careful. You can share the screen. Both of you share the screen, okay? Very good. Done, everybody? Parth, are you doing it? Okay. Now, with the help of a scissor, you can take help from your mama, daddy. Cut this oval shape. Come on. With the help of your mama, daddy, cut this oval shape. Scissors are really very sharp object, so be very careful. Cut this oval shape nicely. Rishika is looking really very scary today. Just like Komal man. Ha 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 ha. Just cut this oval shape nicely. This is the base of our hat. Okay. Come on, Parth, Dishit. Very good. Mama is helping you. Lovely. Today, Bhutnath is going to come in our class. Okay, Hardit. Firdos, Adya. Very good. So, children, this is the base of our cap. Okay. This is going to be the base of our cap. So, ready, everybody? With the base, oval shape is ready. You can show it to me on the screen. Very good, Hardit. Lovely, Adya. Super. So the base is ready. Now take another red color paper. Come on. Take another red color paper. And with the help of this paper, we will make a cone. Cone shape. See, look here. Keep it in a sleeping position and make a cone shape like this. Rotate your paper. हाँ बच्चा. Say, if you have any doubts, ask me. हाँ बोलो. Okay, so the base is ready. Now we will make a cone shape. Okay, so for that we will just keep our paper in a sleeping position and cone shape बनाएंगे. देखो इधर everybody, look here. Come on Hamza, you have to do it along with ma'am. Make a cone shape like this and we will tape it. हमें ना cello tape लगाएंगे. So take a cello tape. You can even use Fevicol. It's your choice. Okay. We can use cello tape or Fevicol. Just make a cone like this. And I am going to tape the edge. You can take help from mama daddy and make a cone shape like this. See, हमें है ना cone shape बनाना है. Everybody, make a cone shape like this. See, got it, everybody? You can take help from your mama daddy. See, we will make a base like this and we will require a cone shape like this. Come on, everybody. I want everybody to make it look beautiful. Come on. See, I'll show it again how to make cone. See, for cone, you can just take a paper. I'll show you again. Okay. Those who are not getting it, look here. I'll show it again. हम है ना sleeping position में paper रखेंगे, and from here we will just turn it. See, we will turn the paper like this, and the cone is ready. Okay, and paste a cello tape over here. उसको lock कर देंगे, तो हमारा cone ready हो जाएगा. Got it, everybody? Keep your paper in a sleeping position. Hold the paper from the edge and round घुमाएंगे. So our cone is ready. Got it, children? I hope everybody has understood now. Understood, bacha? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, so keep your cone ready. Very good, everybody. Super. Your cone is getting ready, okay? If you have any doubts, please ask me. Very good, Hardit. See, your cone is looking really very cute. Thank you, Rishika. Wonderful. Now, see, your cone might have a little long portion over here, right? Yeah, very good, Hardit. That portion only. We are going to fold that portion like this. And we will paste it over here on the top. Got it? Paste it like this. So this is the base, this is the cone, this is the base of a cap. So the ये जो edge portion है ना, उसको हम ऐसे paste कर देंगे like this. Okay? Understood, everybody? Come on. How we will paste it? We can paste it with the Fevicol as well. I am going to apply a Fevicol over here. Apply the Fevicol nicely. Okay, and paste the cone in the center portion like this. उसको है ना हम center में paste कर देंगे. Got it, everybody? Children, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, don't get confused. And हमारा ये जो portion है, see, ये portion वहां पे हम सेलो टेप लगाएंगे and we will paste it nicely like this. Okay, so our cone will get sturdy. See, it will look something like this. मैम ने है ना वो cone को ऐसे खड़ा कर दिया है on the base. This is a base and this is how the cone will get pasted. Okay, आप फेविकॉल भी लगा सकते हो, आप सेलो टेप भी यूज कर सकते हो. It is up to you, children. Children, I am using both the languages. So if you have any doubts, just ask me in the chat box. I hope I am audible clearly to you all. Right, everybody? Am I audible? Yes or no? You can just write it in the chat box. So this is how the cone and the base of our hat will look like. And please switch on the camera so that I can see your work. Okay, everybody? Shreyansh, Tanvi. Yeah, Shreyansh, what we have done is we have just made the cone and usko humne hai na, with the help of a cello tape and with the help of a Fevicol, we have pasted it on the base. Okay, Shreyansh? ये base था हमारा, उसके ऊपर ऐसे हमने stick कर दिया है. Got it? Very good, Yohana. Perfect, Bija. You can paste it with the help of a cello tape or with the Fevicol. It should be sturdy. Got it? Once you are done with this, you can just get ready with the white sheet. We are going to decorate our hat. We are going to decorate our hat with the bats, with the pumpkins. So children, once the hat is done, keep it aside, get ready with white paper. Okay? Come on. If the hat is ready, Dishit, how we have pasted is we have applied Fevicol or you can use cello tape also, Dishit. Okay? नीचे से base में से थोड़ा circle करो और सेलो टेप के यूज करके या फेविकॉल यूज करके यू कैन पेस्ट द बेस with a cone. Okay, got it, Dishit? See, this is how I have pasted with the help of a Fevicol and with the help of a cello tape. Understood? Now, come on, children. Take a white sheet and we will make a decorative bat on it. Okay? So, come on, draw it with a sketch pen. Make one curve like this. यो ना white sheet लेंगे हम, black sketch pen लेंगे. Yuvan, are you doing it, becha? Are you doing it along with me? Mariamma, Thrutika, wonderful. Come on. Let's make a curve. Let's make ears now. Let's make ears of a bat. Okay? We will make scary bats on our hat. Okay? So just make a curve. Just make a ears. Tanvi, are you doing it, Bicha? Very good. Very good, Dishit. Dishit, understood, beta? आपको पता चला कि कैसे पेस्ट करना है? Or shall I show it to you again? Understood? Okay, thank you. Very good. See, Mama is helping you. Wonderful, Picha, wonderful. Now, over here, just make one curve, another curve. And we will make one curve, another curve, and we will make a bat like this. See, children, it is a bat. We are going to make bat on our hat. Okay? 2, 3 bats आप बना सकते हो. You can make star, you can make moon. Again, I'll show you. See, one more time. Make one curve. Make 2 triangles. Make other curves. Make a wings of this bat. And make it look beautiful. You can make black color bat also. Okay? One I am going to keep it white. One I am going to make it black. Come on, everybody. Let's do it nicely. We are going to decorate our hat with bats, with different creatures. We can also make a spider web also. I'll show you how to make it. वो हम बाद में बनाएंगे. ठीक है? So this is a bat which we have created. And I am just going to make eyes. Ha 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 ha. Look at the scary eyes of a bat. Right, children? Come on. Just draw a bat. Understood, or shall I show it to you one more time? See, children, मैम है ना एक और बार सिखाएंगे कि बैट कैसे ड्रॉ करना है. Okay? Look here. Just make one curve. Come on, everybody, do it along with map. Make one curve. Make one triangle, another triangle on both the sides. Make 2 triangles. Very good. Make one curve, another curve. Make 2 curves as well. दोनों साइड कर्व बनाएंगे हम. Very good. Then make one big curve. Make another big curve like this. Okay? And we will make bumpy lines. We will come down. Make bumpy lines and come down. And we will make eyes like this. Got it, everybody? Now you can take little help from Mama. And you can cut this bat. Come on. We are going to cut this bat in a proper shape. Okay? we can just take a little help from mama daddy and cut this hat in a proper shape. उसको है ना हम परफेक्ट शेप में कट कर देंगे. Everybody cut it in a proper shape. Cut it nicely. Okay, and my bat is ready. ऐसे हम उसे कट कर देंगे. Children, you can create 2, 3, 4, how many bats you want, you can create it. I am going to paste 3 bats. मैम है ना 3 bat paste करने वाले हैं. पर आपको अगर 2 ही paste करना है, then also it's fine. If you want to paste 1, then also it's fine. If you want to paste 5 bats, then you can paste 5 bats also. Okay? Come on. Cut the bat nicely. You can leave a little space and then you can cut it. Okay? Come on. Who wants to ask anything? You can raise your hand. See, my bats are getting ready, huh? I'm keeping it aside. Very good, Hardik. Wonderful job, Bicha. Leave a little space. And cut it. Okay. Cut it nicely. Make sure that you do it nicely. Everywhere, we will just cut it nicely. And look at the bat. Our 3 cute little bats are ready. Ha 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 ha. 1 I have made black and 2 I have kept white in color. Got it? This is how the bats are going to look like. Come on, everybody. Take your time and just create amazing, amazing bats. Okay? 2 bats is also fine. Now, my dear children, you can just take this hat and इसके ऊपर we can just make spider web. हमें ना इसके ऊपर spider web भी बना सकते हैं. We can make stars. Come on. Everybody know how to make star? I'll show you. See. You can make stars also. Let's create stars on this hat. अगर आपके पास रेडीमेड स्टार के स्टिकर्स है तो आप वो भी पेस्ट कर सकते हो. ओके? Just create stars like this with a sketch pen everywhere. Behind also, in front also. Because ghost, wizard, witch, everybody comes in the night time only. तो वो रात को आते हैं. So we will just create stars like this. Okay? For them. Just create stars. Come on, everybody. I hope you all are doing it nicely. If you have any doubts, please ask me, okay? Wonderful, Shrenash, lovely. Dishit also. Wonderful. Very good, bachas. Very good. Lovely, Rishika. Oh, wow. So scary, Rishika. Ha, ha, ha. So now, children, what are we going to do? हमने जो बैट लगाए ना बनाए वो उसको हम इधर पेस्ट कर देंगे. Come on. With the help of फेविकॉल और विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ सीजर हम कहीं भी पेस्ट कर सकते हैं ये बैट्स को. ओके? सी. एक बैट यहाँ पेस्ट करेंगे, एक बैट यहाँ पेस्ट करेंगे, and one bag. I'm going to paste it here. Allow it to dry. You can use Fevicol, you can use Sellotape, anything. And randomly हम है ना bat को paste कर देंगे. We are going to paste bat anywhere, wherever you find space, you can paste that bat. Okay. Children, today we are going to have a dance party also. We will dance wearing this hat. Okay. Just get ready. And children, we will require a ribbon also. हमें है ना एक ribbon भी चाहिएगा. If you don't have ribbon, you can use any strip also. But if you have ribbon, please use ribbon. Who asked something?
కష్టపడుతున్నారు మన ఇప్పుడు
Very good. See, the bat is looking really cute. The hat is looking really awesome. Isn't it, children? Wonderful, everybody. Super. So, children, 31st October, it's a Halloween day and we are celebrating Halloween day today. All over the country, it's a Hallows day. आपको पता है सब लोग है ना ऐसे scary बन के भूत ghost and witch and wizard ban ke they come, they dress up like a scary skeleton and they enjoy the party. So today we have made this witch or wizard hat. We are going to wear it and we will dance also. Okay. Okay. And now we will wear it like this. See, Komal man is going to wear the hat like this. Okay. You can just get ready with your hat because ma'am is just going to wear it nicely and we are just going to enjoy the dance party. Yes, you can just hold it, okay? Like this. Come on. Get ready to dance, everybody.
तो waste your time अब सुन लो मेरी बात कहाँ ढूंढोगे शहर में जब तुम आती रात तो waste your time अब सुन लो मेरी बात कहाँ ढूंढोगे शहर में जब तुम आती रात जब सारी दुनिया सो जाती है हो जाती है after party baby after you चले तो पार्टी जब सारी दुनिया सो जाती है party हो जाती है
Come on.
Relax, man. The body, the good man. Relax, man. The body, the good man. Relax, man. The body, the good man. Relax, man. The body,
all have enjoyed a Halloween party along with ma'am, right? So it's time to say bye-bye to Komal ma'am. See you all soon in the next class. Bye.